Catalonia and Barcelona are known for their creativity, their cultural richness, and especially for their architecture. It is a fundamental part of their culture and of their international reputation. Thanks to some exceptional schools of architecture, Catalan architects know how to bring together tradition and innovation, technical rigour and artistic expression. The paths of Ricardo Flores and Eva PRATS crossed at the studio of the famous architect Enric Miralles, and their architecture studio was created from this meeting, a laboratory of architectural pieces created almost as an artisanal process, minutely calculating every small detail.
We work as artisans, giving value to the process of testing and making the things.
Eva PRATS and Ricardo Flores have won the Royal Academy of London Award for their Mills Museum project in Mallorca, a design that also won the Architecture Award of the Balearic Islands and was selected for the 2005 Mies van der Rohe Award. In 2011, they won the Dedalo Minose International Award for the Microsoft building in Milan. They were FAD finalists twice for their Ute Textile Warehouse project and for Building 111, and have just taken part in the 2014 Venice Biennale with the Casal Balaguer Cultural Centre of Palma de Mallorca.
Our studio combines two qualities, the building practice with an intense academic activity in different universities, not only local but international. This mixture also is formed by the two partners, which is Eva, a local from Barcelona, and myself, which I'm Argentinian. And this combination gave us, I think, a lot of different points of view for the different projects. Eva and myself, we both met at Enric Miralles' office, where we had an experience there for a few years. Eva had been there 9 years and me been there 5 years. And after that, we formed our own studio, which now has 15 years of existence, in which we've been always interested in research and investigation, but linked to the responsibility of building and making things. So our research is based in different programs, like rehabilitations. We've been doing a lot of rehabilitations. Recently, a Mexican publisher had edited a monograph book on our work. They are called Arquitectes, and the book is called Thought by Hand. This title evidences this relationship between hand and mind and the process work we develop in our office. Our belief that the mind and thoughts should be bring forward through the hand drawing and model making and this physical contact with the material we produce every day.
We have worked mainly on rehabilitations. We are very interested in how to prolongate life of existing buildings. We have worked for a Mills Museum in Mallorca, also in Palma, in the Old Town. We are renovating an old palace. We are rehabilitating a former workers' club in Barcelona from 1920s that will become the new Sala Beckett Theatre and International Drama School. We have developed an interest in the social dimension of architecture. We have worked for social housing, we have designed also public spaces, and we have worked with neighbors in the design of these projects. Two examples are the social housing building 111, that it's a platform for social relationships, and a square in Barcelona called Pius XII Square. We have also worked in Milan for the new Microsoft headquarters, and the design there has been focused in the connection of the building with the surroundings to mix how to combine two different technologies, the digital and the agricultural one. At the end of every design process, we have a lot of drawings and models made, and when we have the time, we fabricate some custom-made containers to keep all this process material.
Ricardo and Eva stick closely to their own parameters and to their own very specific, subtle details.